A resident calls about a water leak at 9 o'clock on a Saturday night. That call does not care that your leasing agent went home at 5. It does not care that your maintenance supervisor is off this weekend. It needs to reach one specific person right now. And whether it does or doesn't, tells you almost everything about how your property management company is really running. I've worked with property managers across North Carolina for over 25 years, and here's the pattern I see. The companies that grow are not the ones with the most staff. They're the ones where calls consistently reach the right person. Leasing inquiries, maintenance requests, vendor scheduling, owner questions, that's a lot of traffic. And a basic office phone with a shared voicemail box stops working the moment your portfolio grows past a handful of properties. So what do you actually need? 5 things. 1. A hosted phone system. It routes calls to desk phones, mobile apps, and computers based on rules you set, including a real after-hours emergency path. 2. Business texting, but on shared company numbers, never an employee's personal phone. You keep the records, and residents keep a number they recognize. 3. Your property management software stays the system of record. Phones and texting should feed it, not compete with it. 4. Team messaging for quick internal coordination, with clear rules about what still belongs in the official record. And 5. Call reporting. How many leasing calls came in last week? How many were missed? If you're guessing, you're losing leases. Now here's the mistake almost everybody makes. They buy these tools one at a time. A texting app here, personal cell phones there, and the main number forwards to whoever happens to be around. Instead, map your 5 most common call situations first. A leasing inquiry, a routine repair, a midnight emergency, a vendor at the gate, an owner wanting answers. Then build your phone system around those workflows. That's when the technology starts making your operation calmer instead of noisier. At Carolina Digital Phone, we've been setting up systems exactly like this for property managers since the year 2000, right here in North Carolina. Local team, local support, and when your on-call schedule changes, we change the routing with you. Read the full guide at carolinadigitalphone.com or call us at 336-5444-000. Tell us how your properties handle that Saturday night phone call, and we'll help you build the system that answers it.